Marbleization crazy, ain't it? We have here 13-week dry age long bone tomahawk. Wow. Got the waxy feel to it and everything. 12-ounce filet. Look at that thing. Little cracked black pepper already on there, but it's gonna get more traditional black pepper, supreme. We ain't gonna do too much. We gonna salt and pepper this joint, maybe a little garlic. I got my cast iron seasoned in the oven. Put it in the oven seasoning. I ain't used it in a while. Had to scrub a little situation out of there, then put it on there. Got the long bone trimmed down. You know what I'm saying? The bone was this long.